In North India, concerning news flow coming in, nature's fury in Himachal Pradesh as a cloud burst hit the Kinnaur district, leading to a flood-like situation. Heavy rainfall damaged the Kinnaur Kailash Yatra route, stranding hundreds of pilgrims and forcing authorities to suspend the pilgrimage. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police has rescued over 400 pilgrims. Further rescue operations continue even as roads and highways remain heavily impacted. And a day after devastating floods in Uttarkashi left at least 5 dead and over 50 missing, several questions remain still unanswered on what triggered the floods. Initial reports blamed a cloudburst for the flash floods in Dharali village in Uttarkashi. However, several scientists have now questioned the theory as the region received minimum rainfall at the time. The experts now believe a glacial collapse or a glacial lake outburst may have caused the flash floods, which washed away an entire village, destroying homes and hotels in the region. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami took stock of the situation earlier and met locals affected by the flood. For on-the-ground updates, we toss to Tejashree, reporting from the Tehri Garhwal region in Uttarakhand.
Well, the situation in Uttarkashi and nearby areas is quite serious and concerning. Currently, we are reporting from Tehri Garhwal area of Uttarakhand, where we'll be showing you that how there is continuous rise in the water level of the river, because of which the continuous landslides are occurring and it is very difficult for the people as well to move from one area to another. We saw that how there were devastating visuals yesterday from the Dharali village in Uttarkashi, and then how several, houses were washed away, the roads were washed away. However, relief camps are being set up, but the destruction has been, in a large scale, because of which the condition is very much critical over there. Given the poor weather conditions and the further predictions of the heavy rains over the next couple of days, the administration has already announced that all schools will be shut till July 6th. But as far as the current situation is concerned, you can see that how difficult it is as well to in this area as well from where we are reporting right now, because of if we move towards Uttarkashi, then there are continuous landslides, because of which it is making difficult as well for the people or commuters or us also to move towards that area. However, the security personnel, the joint operations are being carried on. The security personnel are trying to, remove the debris and reconnect the roads, but it is not that easy as it seems. On the ground, the situation is very much different and difficult as well, because what the people and locals were seeing were telling us that it is not the normal water level of this river. In the normal days, the water level is quite low, but the intensity with which the river is flowing, you can just understand the condition, that what the condition must be over here. Mrityunjay, if you can show the visuals also of this area, and in fact at any point of time the water level could keep on rising, because the red alert has already been issued in this entire area. If you move forward, then you will be heading towards Uttarkashi, but then again the security personnel are also saying that it is difficult for them as well to move towards the Dharali area, where we saw the devastating and heartbreaking visuals coming from the social media. We saw that how the social media was also flooded with those videos. We could hear people screaming for help, but again the security personnel are trying to establish contact, but the connectivity of roads is not just the road is poor, but also the connectivity of a network is very much poor over here, which makes it more challenging. However, the place where we are reporting right now, the entire area seems to be on red alert, but yes, continuous efforts are being made to rescue people, but next 24 hours are going to be very much crucial.
Let's also listen into what the Chief Minister Dhami said about the rescue operations that are underway in the area.
बचाव और राहत के काम में आईटीबीपी लगी है, एनडीआरएफ, एसडीआरएफ और स्थानीय लोग, सभी लोग आगे आकर, हमारे जनप्रतिनिधि भी सभी लोग बचाव के काम में लगे हैं। कल लगभग 130 के लगभग लोगों को रात को रेस्क्यू किया गया है और अभी लगातार खोजबीन जारी है। रास्ते में चूँकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा मौसम ख़राब होने के कारण से अनेक स्थानों पर मार्गों का जो संपर्क है वो कट गया है और कुछ पुल भी जो है क्षतिग्रस्त हो गए हैं। उसके कारण से वहाँ पर पहुँचना भी मुश्किल हो रहा है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी सभी एजेंसियाँ, सभी लोग जो वहाँ पर पहुँच गए हैं, रेस्क्यू के काम में लगे हैं। हमने राज्य के स्तर पर भी 10 डिप्टी एसपी, 3 एसपी और लगभग 160 पुलिसकर्मी भी इस काम में लगाए हैं।